Have you always been facing rejection everywhere you go? Do this and no one will ever say no to you. Everywhere you go, people will always say yes. People will always respect you. In today's video, I want to share with you 2 remedies that you are going to use and no one will ever say no to you. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Golden Bosom channel. My name is Jackie and this is the Golden Bosom channel. So if it's your first time to come across my video, you are welcome. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for keeping up with me. In today's video, I want to share with you these 2 remedies and no one will ever say no to you. Let me tell you, rejection is real. Rejection is real everywhere and most people face rejection. But you can undress yourself from that black garment other people see about you, but you don't see about yourself. Beautiful women have failed to get married, not because they are not beautiful, not because they don't like, but it's because they are wearing something other people see they don't see about themselves. So in today's video, I want to share with you these 2 remedies you are going to use and people will love you everywhere you go. Whatever thing you say, people will always say yes. People will respect your presence. Okay, yes. So you are going to get cinnamon. Cinnamon is so special. It's a powerful spiritual remedy. This is cinnamon. You are going to get cinnamon that is in blended form just like this, and you are going to get milk. Okay, those 2 ingredients are so powerful. Cinnamon and milk. This is milk and this is cinnamon. When I tell you these 2 ingredients are so powerful, you can't believe it unless you try them out. Use them, you will never face any kind of rejection and no one will ever say no to you. You are also going to get a bucket of water. Add cinnamon to that bucket of water. Add milk to that bucket of water. Make sure you get milk that is cold, milk that is from the cow, natural milk, okay? And the next thing you're going to do is to mix them. And as you are mixing them, cancel the spirit of rejection. Cancel that black garment you are wearing. Cancel the spirit other people see about you that you don't see about yourself. You have to pray above that water so that anything you do is always a yes, it's always a success. Anything you touch, some people reject you, some people don't want you, some people don't listen to you, not because they want, it's because you are having that black mask, you are having that black garment that was either put on you that you don't see. So in today's video, that is what I want you to do. Cancel the black garment as you are mixing the water. And after mixing that water, you are going to go to the bathroom. Bath that water, and as you are bathing it, do the same thing. Pray and cancel the spirit of rejection. I know this is going to work for you, by the special grace of God, this is so powerful. This is a cleanser. You must do it on Monday and Sunday. On Monday and Sunday, do it 3 times and you'll see how your life is going to change. No one will ever say no to you. If you are kind of a person who will submit a visa and the answer will be no, you have been denied. Ask for a job, no. You ask for a proposal, no. You are waiting for that man to marry you, no. He rejects you. You are facing rejection and you are living in a life of denial. Do this and your life will change completely. No one will ever say no to you. This is so powerful. I know myself and I've tried it. I've used it on so many people and people are having testimonies. So there is nothing that I give here I haven't tried yet. I make sure that all the spiritual works that I share with you work perfectly. And if this spiritual work does not work for you, you can always try out another one. Go to the bathroom and bath that water. As you are bathing that water, always pray. Pray above it and get out of the bathroom. Do not dry yourself with a towel. Let the hair dry you. Okay, unless you have these stains, you can just remove it, but do not use a towel to dry that water on your body. You can repeat this 1, 2, 3 times and you see wonders. You see how your life is going to change. Things will come out perfectly. Anything that you touch, anything that you say will always be a yes. People will respect your presence. People will respect your words. Anything that you do, if it's a job application, people will say yes. You will always be a favored person. You will always have favor. Okay, so do this if you are living in life of denial, if you are facing rejection. No, no, no. It can be your family member, and people will always say no. You are having that black mask you are wearing. Other people see about you, but you don't see about yourself. You don't see it with yourself. Mix them to your bath water and pray above it, then bath it. And the next thing, do not forget to have faith and believe, because if you don't have faith and believe, it's not going to work for you. You must believe in it. The Bible says, with a belief, with a faith, you shall move a mountain to one place to another. You can always do it until you see changes in your life. No one will ever say no to you. You always have a yes, a yes, a yes, yes, yes. Okay? So guys, that's it for today. Remember not to do this special bath when you are in your menstruation period. Wait until you get off your menstruation period. And for the men, women, kids, you can do it. It doesn't matter which religion you are, you can still do this special bath. Do it and your life will never stay the same. I pray by the special grace of God, this is going to work for everyone who is watching me right now. Try it and you will never regret. If you feel this video was helpful, please do not forget to give a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in my next video. Bye.